daily movement on Priceline.com, but it was a sell gap into that daily resistance. It was a nice move. There's that trend line. There is still value in it. It sold down way up here at the 540 handle, and we dropped almost $100 in the reversal. That was a great opportunity for the bear. And that high was 548, and the current low of 1125. The current low was 456. So basically, we had an up day. Today's high was 483. It was a sell gap. Once we close above it, we can see that we're going to be looking at our call contracts now. And I'm going to cover another equity right here called Amazon.com. Cyber Monday is today. They're going to do well. It too, like all equities, got marked down, and there's that bull rally gap, and you want to see them always gap up above that resistance level and how they're going to hold support. We will be taking a look at all of the call strategies and put strategies that we have done. But that's, where do I, just like I said before, over here, look at how the puts are getting marked down. The call got marked up. The call got marked up. The call got marked up today. The call got marked up, and all the calls got marked up. In the video training over the weekend, as you were told that you would have a big upside movement coming because the calls had been marked down and they had marked up all the put prices. Go and take a look at the Sunday training and on the homepage of stockmarketfunding.com, and you can see the total invert and the differences that are happening here in the call side and Amazon. They're all the same way. They're all the same way. So that we finally got to a markdown in the calls, and we finally got a bull gap. There's resistance up here. We're going to be looking at how to trade the 190 call in the money. That's going to be this one here. That's a 1217 contract on Amazon. And you can clearly see that the last print was 10 and a quarter on that call. And the gap open was $5.10. That was the gap open on the call. All the calls gapped open. See? Gap open list is positive and negative. Once again, in red is minus gap down on all the puts. And the gap open, though, they really super gapped open the calls from the previous day close. That $5.10, $6.15, $7.55 here on that one on a gap open. That's the 180 call. Hey, the gap open on the call here, $8.50, man, on the 175 call. And they were all marked down in previous markets on all the leadership. Priceline, Apple, Google, you name it. So here we are. Bull run happening right here in Amazon and Priceline, both daily charts. Calls, we'll be looking at them on how to get more entries